This is Retro from Retro Bassin, but you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. I'm over here at the post office to mail these prize packs out. Congratulations once again to Chris, Henry, and Rich. Your lures are on the way. And we're gonna go check the mail to see if I got anything. There's a train over there somewhere. Well, check it out. I got 2 packages today. Hopefully you can hear me over the train. Like I was saying, I got these 2 packages here, and we're gonna open these in a future episode. Let's go over to Skeletor Park and see if I can find any fish. First things first, let's get the water temperature. It's cold out today. It's in the 50s. Tonight it's supposed to be 35. We're in the middle of April and we're gonna have a 35-degree night. Let's see what the water temperature is. 58 degrees. Let's get rigged up and see if we can catch a few. All right, we got the $10 combo here, the Ozark Trail Wayfarer, and one of my favorite baits right here, the Salmo minnow, and a little pinch on sinker for some casting distance. I got it up a little ways from the bait so I don't mess with the action too much. We're just gonna cast around the creek here. This is a creek arm off the main lake. That's part of the main lake out there. That's 20,000 acres. This creek right here, I don't know, 2 or 3. Anyway, let's get fishing. We're gonna slow roll this at first, see if we can get any bites. Then maybe we'll get a little more aggressive with some twitching and stop and go. We're just gonna mix it up, see if we can get any bites at all. You can always watch that rod tip, feel the line, feel the rod, get an idea of if your bait is swimming correctly or not. If it ain't swimming like it's supposed to, you probably won't get any bites. You could, but you probably won't.
This is Tennessee's most hated wrestler, Chase Britton, and you are watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
Confidence level right now, 3 out of 10. I'm still fishing sub 60 water, colder than 60 degrees. I've been waiting months for it to get over 60. It's been in the 50-something degree range for a long time, and I just caught a gob of something. I'm hoping to find a bass, maybe a yellow bass, maybe a big aggressive bluegill, anything that'll go for this fake minnow. So far, not even a bite. Oh, I just was saying I couldn't get a bite, and I had a fish on. I think that was a small bass. Did you see him out there? Did you see the splash? Whew. Well, my heart's beating now. Let's keep fishing. I don't know if he'll come back for it after that. He knew he was hooked and he jumped and spit the hook in typical bass fashion. Yeah, that was a nice hit. Confidence level up to a 4 now that I got a bite. Just as I was saying, I'm not getting any bites. That's how it goes. When I can't catch a fish, I go with this Gulp Alive. Come on. I got to get at least one. Got him. All right. Had him. Damn it. Oh, that's 2 fish I've missed so far. They were on the hook and got off. I was just saying I got to get at least one. Got that one. Got that one. Finally, first fish coming in right here. Doesn't feel like a very big one. Not bad. Decent sized bluegill. You know, when the weather gets cold and the bass turn off, you can still find some bluegill. Got this one on a gulp minnow. Let's lay down flat, see how big you are. Or not. It's about a 6.5, maybe 7-inch bluegill here. Yeah, not too bad. First fish of the day.
My name's Emma. Always keep it realistic.
Let's get another one. Got him. Got him. Yeah, when I don't know what to use or when I'm having a hard time getting bites on lures, gulp minnow seems to get it done. Got about a 6-inch bluegill here. This is why gulp minnow is one of my favorite baits. It catches fish when it seems like they're uncatchable. Let's do it again. Nothing? Am I tangled up? You know, when it sits out there for a minute and I'm not getting any bites, I wonder if it's tangled up, and we're going to check right now. I think we're okay. Let's get it back out there. That doesn't mean it wasn't tangled up and it came free as I reeled it in. Got him. Oh, what is this? Is this a fish? Is this a fish? What do I got here? What do I got here? It is not a fish. Oh, I thought it was a nice fish. It's a nice branch. See, gulp minnow does catch all sorts of stuff, even branches. There's a nibble. Can you see that bobber out there? I can barely see it myself. My hands are actually getting cold. I would say it's in the high 40s right now. It's supposed to get down to 35, 34. Looking back on past seasons, I'm already into the good fish by now. But the water was warmer. This stupid 58-degree water, it's not doing me any favors.
This is Kenny South from Rock and Wrestling Federation. You're watching Realistic Fishing. Better keep it realistic.
I'm not leaving till I get another fish. Well, I had a bite, but I want to actually catch one. What the? Got that one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What do we got here? Another bluegill, 6-incher. Yeah, a lot of purple on this one. Lay down. Yeah, 6-incher. Good looking fish though. Is that a helicopter I hear? You always have to stop what you're doing and look for the helicopter. It's actually a bit too cold and windy out here for me. I got a few bluegills, but I don't think that's enough for a video. Let's go back to the studio and do a secret giveaway for the hardcore fans. If you watched to this point, you're in luck.
Fred Randall.
All right, if you made it to this point in the video, I consider you a true fan, and you're in for a secret giveaway. All you need to do is leave a comment below, and you'll be entered. Shh. First up, some Great Lakes drop shot baits. That almost rhymes, right? It's like a little worm with a whip tail. Next up, we have a cream lure book kit. Everything you need to catch panfish. This is a neat little item. It's got a bunch of soft plastics, some jig heads, some tips, a ruler, all sorts of stuff. Good for kids, good for you if you like pan fishing. Panfish kit.
I'm Aleksandr Perez with Chunky Cats Fishing, and right now you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic. Woo!
Next we have a pack of Yum Swerm. Kind of like a Sluggo, kind of like a Senko. It's a minnow-ish stick bait with a big eye. You can catch some bass on this. And finally, a pack of Riot baits. This is the 4.2-inch fuzzy in blue steel. Like I said, if you made it to this point in the video, I consider you a true fan. Leave a comment down below. Good luck to everyone who enters. And thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.